Hello everyone, it's Onyi, and today I'm going to show you how to automate battery saving on your phone so it runs longer without you lifting a finger. I'll demonstrate this with the Galaxy S22 Ultra running on One UI 7 and Android 15. But even if you're using a Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus or iPhone, stick around because I've got you covered too. So Alright, first of all, what are routines and automation? Routines let your phone perform specific actions based on time, location, battery level, or connected devices. For example, you can tell your phone, hey, when battery drops to 30%, turn on power saving mode, reduce brightness, and turn off background apps. No more doing this manually. So on Samsung, you go to settings and you scroll down and you tap modes and routines and you tap the routine tab. See the routine tab? You tap this and you scroll down and you tap this plus sign to create a routine. So under this if choose battery level. So if battery level, so say if battery level, for example, falls below 30%, okay, falls below 30%, then this is the then turn on power mode. Then you can choose the following actions. You can choose to turn on power saving mode. You can choose to turn on power saving mode. Okay, so done. And then you can add another action to lower brightness. In fact, the power saving mode should do all that, lower brightness. But if so, you choose to lower brightness. So for that, you go to display and brightness, and you can choose to lower brightness, like that. Done. And you can add another action to turn off Wi-Fi or turn off mobile data. You can, a lot of things that causes you to lose battery, you can choose to turn those off when that comes on. And you save the routine. You tap to save it and you give it a name. All right, if you see, okay, you already. You can also, under this if you can set to activate it when you're sleeping or at a specific time. Okay, now for Tecno, Infinix, for other Android phones, most Tecno, Infinix and OnePlus phones don't have modes and routine like Samsung, but they have similar feature under settings, smart assistant or settings, then battery and battery saver schedule. Here is what to do. You go to settings, battery, and you look for battery saver or ultra battery saver. You tap schedule or auto activate at certain percentage. Set it to turn on automatically when battery drops down to, example, 30%. You can also manually enable app auto close, dark mode, or CPU limiting in the same section. For iPhone users, when you don't have full routines like Samsung, so you can do something similar with shortcut automation. So you open the shortcuts app, you go to animation lab tab, you tap choose battery level, set to falls below 30%, add action like turn on low power mode, reduce brightness, and you save it. So why is this useful? This one-time setup saves you hours of checking settings every week. It's perfect for traveling, commuting, or simply making your phone last till bedtime. So if this helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe or follow button for more smart tips like this. Let me know in the comments what phone you're using. I'll help you set it up.